Did you guys hear something?
Call. Up.
God, we keep cursing in front of her. I feel so horrible.
Sorry.
Dude, I thought she was vomiting. Oh my god, I got so scared. Neuro, you know what? Go again. There you go, Neuro.
Happy times.
Reverse.
Of all the happy moments, Nero.
Oh. That's so sweet of you, Neuro. Aw.
That was really cute.
That was very sweet of her.
5 check.
I'm glad you all think that was sweet.